Hello all, my name is Krishnaik and welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this particular video, I'm going to discuss about companies that has regular job openings for data science. Now, when I talk about data science, I'm also going to consider roles like data analysts, machine learning engineers, deep learning developers. Even I'm considering business analysts, data analysts. So this kind of openings are regular in these companies. So always make sure that if you are probably trying to look for jobs, first of all go to the LinkedIn or go to this company's career page and try to see that whether there are job openings related to data science, data analyst and many other roles, and definitely you will be getting one or the other role. I'm just not talking about an experienced person, guys. I'm also talking about freshers and interns also. So let's go ahead and let's try to see this. And how did I come up with this specific list? Because from past 1 year, I've seen many people making transition to these companies at an average hike of 90%. Okay, so this is the data that I've actually collected. I've seen what is the average hike that they are actually getting, and it was somewhere around 90%. So let's proceed and let's try to see. The first and the foremost company which had most number of openings is EY. Now EY usually has, so in India, right, many people also get hired to EY India, EY Global. So there are two specific companies of them, and they have some amazing clients. Because I was also part of EY, I had worked over there for somewhere around 4 to 5 months, and then I made a transition to Panasonic because I got an amazing opportunity. But the type of clients, the type of work related to machine learning, and many people ask me, Krish, is it compulsory to just learn deep learning also along with machine learning? I usually say that now it is, because the competition is quite high. But understand, in EY, when I was working over there, they were directly hiring for the machine learning role also. And some amazing projects and some amazing clients they actually have. So a lot of hiring usually happens. And right now, some of my friends who are working there, continuous hiring is actually happening. The roles will be with respect to data science, data analyst, Power BI, Tableau developer. I'll just say that as business intelligence developer. So this is the first company where most of our students got placed. Many of our students got placed. If I see my LinkedIn, many messages are flooded over there. Okay. Now coming to the second one, that is Tiger Analytics. So here also I've seen some amazing transition from the people, and the most amazing thing out of all these particular companies with respect to hike that I have actually seen is that Tiger Analytics has given the best hike. Okay, and over here again the maximum number of openings was in machine learning roles and computer vision developer roles. So basically in deep learning also, right? So both this kind of roles, but in short, they are actually giving a data scientist position. But if I talk about the kind of work, mostly into computer vision was the kind of work that are given to the to my subscribers who have actually joined over there. So Tiger Analytics, again, you can find all the information. This entire PDF I'll be giving you, where all you can basically apply the jobs from. Like for this particular example in EY, you can go and directly check out the careers page. In Naukri.com also you can find out, in Indeed, in LinkedIn also. Please make sure that, guys, you follow all these companies in LinkedIn also. It is very much important. If you follow, then only you'll be able to get this kind of notification, or you'll be able to see their post with respect to different job openings. Okay, now coming to the Tiger Analytics, again all the information is basically given. Let's go to the third company, that is Accenture. Okay, Accenture has really made a good amount of research and innovation in the field of AI. And if you go and see in their career page also, and in some of the blogs, like what kind of research they are doing in the field of AI, you'll be able to get a lot of information around it, right? And again, maximum number of my students and subscribers have also got into this particular company. Today morning itself, one of my subscriber also pinged me that he has got placed in Accenture, and the hike that he had got was somewhere around 75%. So Accenture is also doing an amazing work. And how do you apply it? Definitely check out the career page, and through LinkedIn also you can actually do it. I've seen in LinkedIn also you can directly apply from the LinkedIn. So make sure that you also have your profile updated in LinkedIn. Okay, and remember, as I said, this entire thing will be given in the form of PDF so that you can actually refer it. Now coming to the next company, that is Quantify. Now Quantify, if I talk about Quantify Analytics Solutions, it is pretty much amazing. They really work in fintech kind of domain, and again they have a lot of requirements onto that. Over here I'm just not talking about people from engineering background can get into it, from MBA background who has specialization in analytics. People can even get into this from some other background also, which I've actually seen from other domain too. Okay, so here again, how you can apply and quantify. You can go directly to the career page, try to check out from LinkedIn. No need to go from Naukri or Indeed, guys. In LinkedIn nowadays, all the job profiles is actually put up. So definitely you can check it out. Now coming to the another popular company which has done some massive hiring is called the Math Company. Just a couple of days back, again I had got some of the messages from my subscribers saying that Krish, we have got a job opportunity with respect to data science that is called as the Math Company. Okay, and remember here also it was like he had got 2 job offers. He told that the Math Company is giving this much, and there was also one more company which is called as HSBC. So which one should I join? Okay, so those kind of questions were there from him, and definitely he was also pretty much happy because at the end of the day, in the Math Company, the technical people had told him about the kind of work that he's going to get, and probably I think he's going to join the Math Company itself. Okay, and coming to the next one, that is Tata Consultancy Services. Now when I talk about TCS, I talk about Infosys, I talk about HCL. Okay, but in TCS also you had many people had got hired in the role of data science, you know, and if I tell you somewhere around 4 to 5 years back, I'd also got hired in TCS, but I could not join over there because I was planning to join Honeywell at that point of time. So yes, I did not go for it, but again, with respect to for a job profile, definitely data science, data analyst, you know, Power BI, Tableau developers, they have a lot of openings also. Now coming to the next thing, that is iNeuron. If you don't know, guys, iNeuron, I'm the co-founder of iNeuron. Sudhanshu Kumar, he's the founder and the CEO of iNeuron. When we started iNeuron, it was there were only 3 people. Now iNeuron is more than 70 plus people. Again, why I'm putting iNeuron over here, again we have some amazing openings and we will be posting it through various means, through the LinkedIn and all. Please make sure that you follow iNeuron in LinkedIn, because there will be multiple job openings and we are planning to expand to 250 people in the upcoming March, till the upcoming March next year. Okay, so please make sure that you follow iNeuron LinkedIn page, and again you'll be able to find out a lot of job openings. Now this kind of job openings will just not be on data science, it will be on front end, it will be on back end, you know, it will be on Merge stack, it will be for Tableau Power BI developers, it will be for roles like data analyst, it will be for internships, many more things. And we have also like hired many paid internships. We have provided the students and the freshers paid internships. So, and later on we have also converted them into a full-time job offer. So please make sure you subscribe my channel, because you'll get all those kind of information through my YouTube channel itself, and also make sure that you follow the LinkedIn of iNeuron. So finally, guys, some special mention for some of more of the companies over there. Like EY I had actually mentioned, but understand there are also companies like PwC, Deloitte, you know, KPMG. They also do a lot of hiring in this particular sector because they have really moved into analytics and they have some amazing clients. When I was in EY, there was one client, you know, this side EY people used to sit, that side KPMG, that side PwC people used to sit, you know, and probably a kind of competition with respect to the implementation of the product used to happen, you know, and which one was the best, that would have been selected by the client. So a special mention to all these companies like PwC, Deloitte, you know, Gartner, and then you had KPMG. So these all companies have also done a good amount of hiring. So please make sure that you make these companies as your favorite, because every time try to follow them in LinkedIn, because every time a job post is actually seen, then they have regular job posting every month. At least 2 to 3 job roles will definitely be there. Today also, if you go and check out in any one of these companies, there are definitely requirements. So start applying for it. Make sure that you fine tune your resume and start applying for those kind of jobs. So I hope you like this particular video. Please make sure that you subscribe to the channel, and yes, press the bell notification icon. I'll see you all in the next video. Have a great day. Thank you, one dog. Bye bye.